Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Click to subscribe Believing Beings and press the bell icon to get notified about new videos.
My question was, how can we deal with scalar thoughts that is spreading these days?
How can you deal with secular thoughts that are separating you with the deen?
Yes, and we can see that is spreading these days. And
Question?
specifically, the new generation is getting affected with this thoughts that is spread in the websites and.
How can we deal with secular thoughts, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
That's the question. Brother asked the question that how can you deal with the secular thoughts that are coming into your mind and they're disturbing you? Many things, you find in the world. And today, the whole world is a global village. Everything on the internet, you Google, you get the reply. You Google, good and bad, good and bad. It can take it very good for dawah, very bad to take you away from deen also. And this is the problem that because the world has become a global village, you go on the net and you find many things which may take you away from your deen. So the best way to keep you on your deen is to see to it that every day you read the Qur'an. When these thoughts disturb you, and if you read the Qur'an along with translation, it will solve most of your problems. Try to see to it that you at least read one juz if you can, along with translation. So in 1 month, you have rehearsed and refreshed your memory, and most of the replies to these secular thoughts are there. It is there in the Qur'an. Now, because of the world becoming a global village, you find many views that are disturbing. And when you see in the Western world, they are keeping on changing the values of life. And if a person is not attached with the Quran, there are high chances that he may deviate. He goes to a Western country, to America, to London, to educate himself, and he gets misguided. High chances. We have many of the Muslims, going to Western country. I'm not saying every Muslim that goes, but because of what they are taught in the schools, in the colleges, in the universities, intermingling of sexes, freedom of speech in the name of women's liberalization, they are taking away, they are talking about rights, but actually what they're doing, they're demoralizing them. So the best solution, brother, is that you should, depending upon the topic that is disturbing you, you should hear the talks of that Dai. We give the solution to these topics. One thing is read the Quran. Second thing is certain Dais that specialize in certain topics. Some in comparative religion, some in science, some in technology. So depending upon what is the thought that is disturbing you, one solution is read the Quran. The second is you hear the talks of those Dais who are specialized in the topic. Hope that answers the question, brother.